Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video, we will be doing the concept of subset sum problem using backtracking. So guys, backtracking approach is we have already discussed before that it is an approach where if we try to find the optimal solution, if we don't get the solution or don't get the feasible solution straight away, we ignore that solution immediately and try to focus and backtrack to get the solutions accordingly. So in this process, what we have got is we have got certain items which are given to us and their respective weights. So if I have certain items, one weight is 5, item 2 weight is 10, item 3 weight is 12, item 4 weight is 13, item 5 weight is 15, and item 6 weight is 18. So these are the items that we have got with respective weights. Now in this process, what we will do is we have a particular task. The task is to find certain items uh, that if we combine them, we get weight is equal to 30. So it means we have to find out those items which when combined, the weight becomes 30. So what we will do is we will start the problem by calculating the entire waste of all the items, entire weights. So we have a particular task that we have to combine those items only that contribute to weight is equal to 30. So if we combine all the weights, 5 plus 10, 15 plus 12, 27 plus 13, 40 plus 33, it's 73. So what we will do, we will create a set of 0, 73. So we are not including any item as such. So the moment we will consider a particular item, we will add it. So we have taken all the weights together, and the moment we are going to consider the item, we will reduce the weight from 73, which is a combined weight. So let's take item number 1. Item number 1 is equal to 1. It means we are including item 1. So if item 1 is included, so what will be the weight? If item 1 is included, the weight is 5, and the remaining weight would be 73 minus 5 would be 68. This is first thing. So if let's say we include item number 2, item number 2 is included. So item number 2 weight is 10. So 5 plus 10 becomes 15, and 68 minus 10, the answer is 58, right? So this is another particular thing. We have got item number 3. If we include that, item number 3, if we include it, the weight becomes 27. So 15 plus 12, 27, and 58 minus 12 will be 46. Let's include item number 4. Item number 4, guys, if we include, so 27 plus 13, that becomes 40, and 46 minus 13 would be 33. So guys, you tell me that if we include item 1, 2, 3, and 4, the combined weight we are getting is 40. Do we require 40? Clear, the condition is that you have to reach to weight 30 only. So we are not reaching weight 30 over here. Instead, we are reaching 40. So even if item 4 is included, this is not the right answer. So let's consider item number 4, and let's not include it. Item number 4, we are just considering, but we are not including it. It means the remaining weight becomes 27 only. Sorry, the weight is not added to 27. So it is 27 only. And the remaining weight is still 33 because we are having two items which are pending with 15 plus 18, 33. So we'll write 33 over here. So we are not including this item. Let's take another possibility by including item number 5 over here. So guys, I'm not taking item number 5 over here because even 40 is not possible. So how can we include 15 plus 18? It is not possible. So we include 5 item over here. If we include item number 5 over here, what is the cost that we are going to get? So 27 plus 15, it becomes 42. And 33 minus 18, 33, minus 15, that becomes 80. So 15 is added, and unfortunately, even if we add fifth item, not including fourth item, this is still a wrong answer. Why? Because we got 42. We never wanted 42. We wanted 30 only, and 30 is not achievable from that. So let's exclude this item. Consider this item 5 is equal to 0, but not including it means the weight 27 is attained, and what is the remaining weight? Even if we are not including item 5, so remaining weight is 18 only. So guys, we got 27 comma 18. Let's include item number, let's say I'm including item number 6 is equal to 1. So 27 becomes 27 plus 18 becomes 45, and remaining weight is 0. Clearly, this is also a wrong answer. We are not including this item. So guys, let's exclude this item also. Let's not include it. So we are excluding this item as item 6 is equal to 0. So over here, item 6 is equal to 0 means item 6 is not included. So we got 27 and 0 again. So guys, 27 is also not the desired item. It means even if I've added item 1, 2, and 3, we got 27. 27 was not the desired answer. The answer was 30. So it means this step is not feasible answer. This is not a feasible answer. This answer is also not feasible. So it means this process is not a feasible option. Even this is not a possible option. So clearly we are backtracking towards I3 is equal to 1. So over here now, what we will do is we will not include item number 3. So if we don't include item number 3, so what is the remaining weight out of it? So remaining weight will be 15, comma, item 46. So item 3 is not included. Let's try to solve it from this part. So let's include item number 4 is equal to 1. If item number 4 is included, so we got 27 and 27. Okay, so we got 28 actually. 28 and 13 is minus from this, we got 33. Let's include item number 5. If we include item number 5, what is the answer we are getting? We will be getting the answer of 43, and remaining answer is 18. Clearly not the right option. So item 5 cannot be included. Let's exclude item 5. Item 5 if not included, the answer would be 28, and we got the answer as 18. If we include item number 6, the answer would be 46, 0. If we don't include it, the answer would be 28, 0. We don't want this answer. Again, these answers are wrong. Now, it means that I'm doing backtracking, which is wrong with item 4, which is included. Let's not include this item. So I'm rather continuing my process over here. So we got a 1546, and we are excluding item number 4. If item number 4 is not included, so we got the answer as 15 comma 33. So if we include item number 5, if item number 5 is included, the answer becomes 30. And mind you, this is 30. And what is the remaining part? The remaining part would be 18. So guys, if you see this whole particular option, we got 30, which is the desired answer that we wanted. This is the desired answer that we wanted. That combination of items will get this. So it means item 1 is included over here. Item 2 is included over here, And we got the answer with item 5 also included. So it means item 1, item 2, and item 5. When included, you get the combined weight as 30. So it means this is the subset that gives the answer 30, which was the required answer. So this is how your subset sum problem is solved. And there is backtracking. Backtracking only done if there are no paths which are possible to execute. This was not possible, this was not possible, and certainly was not possible. If you have any sort of doubt, you just put it on comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.